Welcome everyone. So right now ऑफिस के नीचे खड़े हैं यहाँ पे and we had a quick plan to have a demo ride of the bicycles we make at Scott. So here we have 4 bicycles right now with us and our whole team. So guys say hi.
We are right now.
We
are right now in our.
थोड़ा mature behave करो.
The things are getting set up, and the things are getting set up. So we are just waiting right now in order to get the bicycles ready, and then we'll show you how the bicycles are and how it will show.
Usually yes. There is one of the bicycle which Abbas and me has just seen from last 3 months but never got an opportunity to see it in action. तो वो सामने खड़ी है एक बार अब्बास के उसको मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ. This is one of the expensive bicycle right now we have.
This is one of the expensive from our list.
Yes, and
we have
I think it was with one of the athlete, but when the contract ended, Scott took it back, and this is one of the cycle. But currently, मैंने जब बात की मोनिस से तो I came to know it is costing around 1,35,000 as a second hand, and if you go for the new one, it is costing you approximately 2 lakhs. So कैसी होती है 2 लाख की साइकिल? Let's come and watch it out. This is the cycle which I was talking about. इसका नाम मुझे नहीं पता. I will ask Moniz about this beast, but this is one of the expensive cycle which currently we hold. And if you can notice, इसमें कहीं भी कोई welding या joint नहीं है because this is a single body and it is a carbon fiber bicycle. As far as I know currently, but we'll check it out. I don't know. It does not have pedals, but yeah, this is the one which I've been looking from last 3 months. तो किसी दिन इसे मैं चुरा लूँ तो बुरा नहीं मानना चाहिए किसी को. We are here with the marketing team of ours. Let me introduce Vedant. He is the graphic designer we have. He makes amazing content. So, Vedant, would you like to say a few words? Cycling kya karo, yes. And we have our special guest, Mr. Moniz.
Yes.
Yeah.
The guy behind the left side of us. So he's the one who is handling those stuff. It works.
Yeah.
Yes.
So अभी मोनिज से थोड़ी वार्तालाप करते हैं. Let me just ask him because
Let us show the bicycle.
yeah, I'm about to just change the frame. I will show you what exactly is the bike and we'll get a little information from Moniz because मुझे नहीं personally पता इस गाड़ी का नाम क्या है, but it is looking freaking awesome. Okay. So this is the one I was talking about, and yes. So Moniz, yeah, would you like to tell anything about this bicycle? Anything?
So this is a mountain bike. The name of the bike is Contrail 20.
Okay.
And this is a tropical blue color. This is a mountain bike, and we can take this bike to an off-road patch, and we can have fun with this bike. And I should say that everyone should try this bike first.
And cost क्या होगी इसके? I mean, if anyone want to purchase it.
This costs around 60 to 70,000.
That's all. Is there any promotions, any offers available with us?
No offers.
It's including all the offers.
Yes. This is Suraj. Say hi, Suraj.
So the bike is available on sportnetwork.in. You can go there and you can check out of our website, and you can also have look on our different bikes also.
वो लगा लिया है जिसके लिए हमेशा से एक सॉफ्ट स्पॉट था मेरे दिल में. I wore a lot of helmets, but this is one of the helmet जिसमें मेरे को नहीं पता कैसा लग रहा है भाई. Is it even shooting on me भाई? मोनिज भाई मतलब मैं वैसा तो नहीं लग रहा हूँ?
No.
वैसा नहीं लगना चाहिए.
You're looking nice.
मोनिज भाई की इसी बात के साथ let me just take this beautiful bicycle from his hand and let me just test it भाई. और पहला instinct as an Indian, I'm looking for the stand which it does not have. So let's see how it goes. यहाँ पर साइकिल है लेकिन चला नहीं सकते मोनिज भाई.
Yes,
May I know the reason why?
because the pedals are not fit.
Pedals are not fitted correctly.
Yes.
I don't know. Yeah. I'm not riding it. I'm just riding it crazy. That's all. Nothing else I can do right now here. But yeah, to be very honest, it's कलर तो यार बस भाई क्या बोलना है कलर.
Color feels a little cold.
कोल्ड भाई इतना अच्छा कलर है.
color.
Yes.
It is a very eye-catching color भाई.
Color, and it feels comfortable. We have a size in M right now available over here.
Yeah.
You can visit for the different variants and sizes that we have.
Actually.
This feels perfect, I believe, for the starters, and they can look after for a reliable bicycle that they want to have ride for. So definitely, guys, you can check this out. Do let us know how do you feel about this. Yeah, thanks.
We are going to test this beast.
That I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're
It's
successful cause
amazing
they
to
try
ride
to
it.
be. They sit there
Super amazing. I mean, I never thought of riding it. हमेशा मैं इसको बस डिस्प्ले में देखता था. And I must say यार एथलीट लोग को सल्यूट है. It takes a lot of now. I'm driving after so many years, so but it is amazing to ride this. कैसा लग रहा है बस?
We are here at the last round. I'm so good to stay at this moment. But I've got one last round left with me.
Can you keep up?
And I'm choosing to be with my buddy.
that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate
It was an amazing experience, I must tell you guys. बहुत मज़ा आया literally. I mean, it was great to ride the products we make. So if you like any of the bicycle, you can check out on our website. I'll be giving the link in the description, and you can reach to our team for inquiring about the dealership as well. Thank you for watching this. Have a good day.
They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous.